Audio Jungle.
In order to craft better sentences, we need to replace the overly used words and synthesize the sentence properly. The most common conjunction "and" can be replaced with "not only but also." And in order to make this sentence, we require adjectives. Adjectives are the describing words. The two adjectives I have taken here are good and awesome. The most common sentences: the novel is good and awesome. We can change it into something like this: the novel is not only good but also awesome. In order to craft a sentence, the sentence structure is quite essential. So let's understand this. There should be a subject following a helping verb with not only then an adjective plus but also and then another adjective. If we are using this in IELTS context, then the simple sentence, which is pollution is reduced by the government and by its citizens, is replaced by pollution is reduced not only by the government but also by its citizens. If we are using it in the general context, then the sentence is: you are my best friend and my mentor. Subject is you, helping verb is are, and after that we should replace this word not only, then it is the adjective best friend following but also, and then the other adjective, which is my mentor. Keep practicing, children, and happy learning.